Everybody take your seat. Sit down, baby. Good job. Good job. Well, take your seat. Take your seat over here. So we are about to do 1 to 3, right? Are we counting from 1 to 20? Yeah, 20. Yeah. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, sit down, 15, 16, sit down, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah, clap for yourself. Okay. Where is 1? Show me 1. Good job. Where is number 5? Where is number 5? Where is 5?
It's
5 right here. Yay. Where is number 6? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 6.
6 apples.
Move on there. Where is number 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 fingers.
10 penguins. Clap for yourself.
1.
Let's count with our finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 fingers. How many fingers do you have on one hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah! Good job. Yeah, high five. So let's do another one, right?
Yes.
Let's count. We are counting 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's write number 10 here. Yay! Quack, 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 quack. Okay. Let's count. Where's number 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 8. 8. 8 apples. Good job. Yummy. Okay, let's count from 1 to 20. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20! Okay, well, write number 1 there, right? 1. Good job. You ready? You don't do that here, right? You don't write number 1. Right. Hold a pen. Right. Yeah, you're welcome. 1. Good job. So write number 2. job. Let's count number 3. 1, write it down, write it down. 1, write it. 1, 2, wait now.
2 minutes.
Where can you wait?
1,
1, 2, 3.
3 apples.
3 what? 3 cows. 1 what? What is that?
1 panda.
1 panda. 2 ducks.
2 dogs.
3.
3 ducks.
What is that, Will?
3 cows.
3 cows.
Moo.
Moo. 4.
4 kites.
4 cats. 5.
5 penguins.
5 penguin. Good job. 6.
6. 7.
No, 6 what?
6. 6 apples.
6 apple. Good job. Yum, 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 yum. 7. 7 bees.
7. 8 robots.
8 lollipop. Yum, 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 yum. 9.
9 ice cream.
Yum, 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 yum. 10. 10 fish.
10.
Yum, 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 yum.
10 bees.
10 bees? No, 10 fish. Okay. What is that? Is that colors?
What is you?
I see days of the week. Can you say the days of the week, you know?
Week. Yeah.
Yeah.
You.
Days of the week are? There are 7 days.
You.
How many days in a week? 7. 7 days of the week.
Week. Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
10 fish. Yeah. 10 fish.
10 fish.
5 penguins.
5 penguins.
4 kites.
4 kites.
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Daddy. How did
I'm doing good today.
they? I know.
How's that night?
And that was good. What about you?
1. See. This is good. 1 table. 10 fish.
10 fish.
6 apples.
6 apple. 8 lollipop. 9 ice cream. 10 fish. Are we done studying? Let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. High five. Yay! Smile.
So that's small.
Yeah. That's small.
Big and small.
Yeah. So, good manners. Good manners say respect one another.
Respect and
Help those you gotta be kind. You gotta be caring. You gotta share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too.
Sharing is what? Caring, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Aww. Listen carefully. Share with others. Sharing is what? Caring, right? Say please and thank you. Yeah. Clean up after yourself. When you're done with something, put it back. Good job. High five. Yay. You're so smart. You're so smart. Let's cut your nails. Let me see. Let me see. Sorry. All done. Aww. I love you. Give me a hug. Mwah. I love you. Are you sleeping? I love you. And you love me. We are one big family. I love you. And you love me too. I love you. You're my baby boy. Yay! I love you. And you love me. We are one big family. I love you. And you love me too. I love you, my baby boy. Oh, okay. We are done studying for today. Yeah, let's go to bed. It's nap time. Nap time. Okay. Well, let's go. Y'all want us to pack all of these before we go? Yeah, let's go to your room. Let's go to your room, guys.